In this video, we are counting down the most popular Turkish series that international audiences absolutely love. If you're a fan of Turkish television and meaningful stories, this list is for you. Let's start with number 1. ABI. This is not just a story about family. This is a story about pain, secrets, and a past that refuses to stay buried. Doğan Hancıoğlu, a highly respected surgeon who saves lives every day. From the outside, his life looks perfect. But behind that calm face is a man who ran away from his own family years ago, carrying deep emotional scars from a traumatic childhood. Doğan chose distance over blood ties, silence over confrontation. But fate has other plans. When he returns to Istanbul for his sister's wedding, Doğan is forced back into the world he tried so hard to escape, the powerful Hancıoğlu family. A family that looks strong on the surface, but is slowly rotting from within. Old grudges resurface, tension fills the air, and just when the celebration begins, a shocking incident turns the wedding night into a nightmare. And that's when everything changes. Here enters Çağla Oncu, a strong, fearless lawyer who believes in justice at any cost. Her life hasn't been easy either. Loss and struggle shaped her into someone who doesn't stay silent in the face of wrongdoing. When her path crosses with the Hancıoğlu family, she doesn't just find a job, she finds herself pulled into a dangerous web of lies, power games, and hidden crimes. As Doğan and Çağla grow closer, they begin uncovering truths that were buried for years. Every secret they reveal shakes the family's foundation. Loyalties are tested. Trust is broken. And the question becomes clear. How far will a family go to protect its name? And how much pain can one person endure before finally standing up to the past? Number 2. Arafta. Arafta is a story where love and revenge walk a razor's edge. Where every choice could set a heart on fire or burn it to ashes. Arafta is a gripping Turkish drama that has taken global audiences by storm. Ateş Karahan, a man whose past was stolen from him. Haunted by childhood scars and the cruelty of fate, Ateş returns to confront the family that shattered his life. But he doesn't come back with anger alone, he comes with a plan, and a marriage that wasn't really a marriage. Ateş doesn't seek a sword, nor violence. He seeks revenge disguised as an alliance. His weapon? A proposal no one expected, a 187-day marriage to Mercan Yildirim, a woman caught in a storm she never chose. Mercan was already promised to another man, Nazir, a figure obsessed with her who believes everything should go his way. But when Ateş steps into her life with his cold determination and calculated plan, her world flips upside down. Forced together by fate and design, their relationship starts as a deal, a strategic, emotionless arrangement. But as days pass and walls begin to fall, something unexpected begins to grow between them, something powerful and dangerous and deeply real. Ateş's heart, once hardened by pain, starts to uncover cracks. Mercan's strength, once tested by fear and obligation, starts to reveal courage. With every episode, Arafta throws us deeper into a world where past wounds clash with unexpected feelings, and where the line between love and vengeance blurs into something neither character imagined possible. It's not just a saga about two people, it's a story about how far someone will go to settle old scores. And how even the hardest hearts can be changed by the light they never wanted to see. Number 3. Çocuk, the child. Çocuk follows the stories of 4 different women as they navigate through motherhood. Akça, with the hopes that her son has a better future than she did, gives up her son to Şule, the bride of a wealthy family. Years later, Shuli has a biological child of her own and begins treating her other son horribly. Akcha returns after learning that her son is being maltreated by the bride who adopted him, unraveling the story in many unexpected ways. Even though this series boasts a strong cast and an intriguing storyline, but most viewers don't like the show's overemphasis on a single character. But overall, you can expect complex family drama and too much plot twists from this show. Number 4. Waiting for You. Waiting for You offers a captivating blend of romance, mystery, and family intrigue. This series follows Kadir, who after losing his family in an earthquake, grows up resenting his mother's remarriage and seeks solace in his business in Doha. A chance encounter with Elise sparks a belief in destiny, leading him to give her his father's ring. When Kadir returns to Istanbul, family secrets unravel, revealing Erol's true parentage and Selahattin's existence. A twist of fate reunites Kadir and Elise, reigniting their connection, unaware of their complex familial ties. With the rediscovery of the ring, Kadir falls deeper in love, unaware of the impending complications tied to Elise's true identity as Erol's sister. While some viewers critique the age gap between the leads, but according to me, Özkan Deniz and İlhan Sen deliver stellar performances, making it a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Don't let the initial episodes deter you. This series unfolds like a true fairy tale, weaving together themes of lost connections and rekindled love across generations. Number 5. Dogu. This series tells the story of Dogu, who is frustrated by his ex-girlfriend, who is his teacher now, and she fails Dogu in his exam. He has to finish his engineering degree so that he could become a comedian, as he always wants to be a comedian. He tries to make believe that he has only one quiz left to graduate to his family. Now what Dogu will do now? Watch this series to find out. It is a really unique style comedy series, even though there are some moments where this series lack a cohesive story. But I personally liked this series very much, especially for its unique humor and cultural insights, as well as Dogu Demirkol's realistic performance and fresh comedy style. Number 6. Atesh Kushlari. Most street children do not reach the age of 20. It cannot be said that those who saw it lived. Drugs, violence, sexual harassment, hunger. The fate of street children is either prison or grave. 8 Scholar will highlight the fate of 5 of these children, the self-dubbed Koksuzlar, who managed to resist this fate. Their story, which began the day they discovered a 40-day-old baby in a garbage dump, will change from that day onwards, and we, as viewers, will follow the transformation of these 5 street children, from Koksuzlar to 8 Scholar. 8 Scholar will make us question what it means to be a family while highlighting the struggle of families not connected to each other not by blood, but by life ties, in a hopeful language. Number 7. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Difne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Difne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Difne at the restaurant where she works, and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Difne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Difne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Difne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 8. Broken Pieces. Broken Pieces tells the story about 2 girls, coming from opposite family backgrounds, gets exchanged in a hospital. 15 years later, Gulseren, now struggling, lives with her daughter Hajal, while Dilara, in a rich yet troubled family, raises her daughter Jansu. A car accident involving Jansu leads to the revelation that she's not the biological child of her wealthy parents. This discovery shatters their lives, as Jansu has been living lavishly, unaware of her true background, while Hajal, raised in poverty, faces challenges and societal judgments due to her modest upbringing. The accident forces these families to confront their intertwined destinies, unveiling a complex web of emotions and social disparities. Number 9. Gijli Sakli. Gijli Sakli, Love on Duty, is a beautiful romantic comedy series which follows Naz, who graduates as a top police academy student, joins the force to protect her family. Assigned a secret mission with Officer Pamir, they pose as a married couple to infiltrate a mafia boss's circle. Naz becomes Yas, a psychologist, while Pamir becomes Levent, a wealthy businessman. They aim to gain the mafia boss's trust, navigating challenges and growing closer. Amid the operation, Naz and Tariq's wife bond, and feelings develop between Naz and Tariq. Love on Duty follows their mission's success, relationship dynamics, and Naz's struggle to keep it hidden from her family. Number 10. Kalp Atishi. Kalp Atisi is a Turkish adaptation of a Korean drama, Doctors, with a touch of originality, mixing love, drama, and medicine. It is a story about a girl named Eylül, a troubled high school student with a painful past, finds solace with her compassionate grandmother in a small Asian town after being expelled from her last school. Her life takes a transformative turn when she encounters her teacher, Ali, who is also a successful doctor. Ali's influence helps Eylül evolve from a rebellious troublemaker into a caring medical professional. They develop a deep connection, but circumstances separate them. 10 years later, they reunite as successful doctors in Istanbul, facing challenges in their personal and professional lives, including a jealous colleague and a complicated love triangle with a fellow doctor. If you enjoy medical culture Turkish series, then you must give this series a try. Number 11. Luck of My Life. In Luck of My Life series, we see the story of Yoja, a struggling single mother, who faces a series of hardships when her daughter's estranged father demands custody. Evicted and jobless, Yoja meets her supposedly diseased father, Turgay, who, working for the mafia, promises her a life-changing lottery win. Desperate to save her daughter, Yoja agrees, only to find herself pursued by both the police and the mafia. Aiding her escape is Ruzgar, an undercover police captain posing as a helpful taxi driver. Unaware of Ruzgar's true identity, Yoja is thrust into a complex web of danger and family secrets. This is a short series, with a decent acting, and a wonderful script, although there were some moments where I have noticed overuse of sorrow and anger, making it hard to endure beyond the first episode, but still it a good series to watch. Number 12. One of Us. Havva, a research assistant at the university, lives a comfortable life in Marmaris with her traditional Muslim family. And Adam, the son of an Irish Catholic pastor, has Turkish and Irish citizenship and works alongside Havva as a research assistant. Despite their different backgrounds, Adam instantly falls in love with Havva and they begin a secret relationship, aware that their families would not approve. After 2 years of dating, they decide to marry but face the challenge of convincing their families. Adam goes to great lengths, including converting religions and rejecting his own traditions, but their struggle continues, causing hardship for both Havva and him. In short, Izimizden Biri is struggling love story of two lovers Havva and Adam, who belongs to totally different religious background. Number 13. Come What May. Burdened by guilt over his wife's death and his daughter Ailey's upbringing, Nurettin decides to teach her important life lessons after a pivotal incident. Seeking to instill respect and responsibility in Ailey, he plans to propose to Sinem, his longtime love interest. However, Ailey's discovery of the engagement ring leads to a clash of wills between father and daughter. As Nurettin remains determined to proceed with the proposal, Ailey, equally headstrong, rebels by hastily marrying someone she believes her father will disapprove of, escalating tensions within the family dynamic. Best 2023 Digi offers a refreshing break from cliches with its engaging characters and surprising plot twists, earning praise for its chemistry and balanced storytelling. Number 14. Sevdin Seni Bir Kere. Aslim, who came from Izmir to Ankara, and clashes with Ozan from the outset. Ozan is a rebellious and tempestuous youth. Despite their differences, Aslim falls in love with Ozan's passionate nature. Their relationship is tested by ambition, economic disparities, and hidden pasts, impacting not only their lives but also their families. As they navigate through lies, secrets, and sacrifices, the story unfolds into a turbulent tale of love and resilience amidst adversity. As a viewer of this Turkish series, I found myself torn between the captivating allure of certain characters and the frustration induced by repetitive plotlines. While characters like Yagiz added depth and intrigue to the narrative, the prevalence of villains and their consistent triumphs became predictable and tiresome. Number 15. Yüksek Sosyete. The story revolves around Kerem, a hardworking young man from a poor family, who agrees to manage the Olivia grocery store for his wealthy friend Mert in exchange for funds to start his own business. Meanwhile, Cansu, a discontented heiress, seeks true love and finds herself working at Olivia Incognito. As Kerem and Cansu develop feelings for each other, complications arise with Mert's affection for Cansu's friend Ece. The narrative intertwines themes of social class, love, and deception, creating a complex web of relationships and emotions. Kerem and Cansu's attraction grows despite their differing backgrounds, while Mert's unrequited love adds further tension. The dynamics at Olivia become increasingly intricate as each character navigates their desires and identities. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in watching more Turkish series with English subtitles, then please click here.